How to pay with Apple Pay on United Airlines. United Airlines accepts Apple Pay for various services, both online and in person, including booking flights, upgrading seats, checking bags, purchasing food and drinks on board, and more. The airline started accepting Apple Pay in 2016. Customers can use Apple Pay for flight bookings on the United Airlines website, through the United app, over the phone, and at airport kiosks. The process is seamless and secure, allowing users to complete their transactions quickly. Apple Pay is also accepted at various stages of the airport experience, including check-in, security checkpoints, gates, United clubs, lounges, and various food, drink, and shopping locations within airports. The use of Apple Pay at these locations contributes to a seamless and contactless payment experience for travelers. Add your United Mileage Plus account to the Wallet app on your iPhone if you are a member of the program. Save your boarding pass to your Apple Wallet before heading to the airport. Check if the airport you're traveling through accepts Apple Pay. You can visit the official website of the airport or inquire with the airport's customer service for more information. To book a flight using Apple Pay, follow these steps. Visit the United Airlines website or open the United app. Select your desired flight and proceed to the payment page. Choose Apple Pay as your preferred payment method. Follow the prompts to complete your purchase and receive your e-ticket. At the airport, use Apple Pay for the following purposes. At check-in/bag drop, use your iPhone or Apple Watch to make payments for checked baggage and additional services. At security checkpoints and gates, use Apple Pay for items like TSA pre-check, priority boarding, or duty-free purchases. In United clubs and lounges, use Apple Pay for purchases within the lounge. At food, drink, and shopping locations, use Apple Pay for contactless payments. Onboard United Airlines flights, use Apple Pay for in-flight purchases, upgrades, and in-flight Wi-Fi by following these steps. First, open the Wallet app on your iPhone, then select the desired payment card, then hold your device near the contactless payment reader, and complete the transaction with a tap. Have a backup payment method, such as a physical credit or debit card, in case of any technical issues with Apple Pay. I hope you found this video informative. Thanks for watching.